Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going on an adventure deep into one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world, the Appalachians. Imagine mountains so old they were here before the dinosaurs. But deep beneath these ancient peaks, scientists have found something so strange, so unexpected, that it's left them scratching their heads. Ready to dive into a real-life Earth mystery? Let's go. So what exactly did they find? Picture this. You're using a super special kind of Earth X-ray to see what's miles and miles underground. That's basically what geologists do with seismic waves. They listen to echoes from deep within the planet to map out what's down there. They were expecting to see the usual layers of rock, the roots of the mountains kind of like the roots of a giant ancient tree. But what they saw wasn't that at all. Instead of the old, thick and cold rock they thought would be holding up the Appalachians, they found a patch of something different. It was younger, hotter, and less dense material. Imagine you have a big, heavy stack of old books, and right in the middle, you find a warm, freshly baked loaf of bread. It just doesn't seem to belong, right? That's the feeling scientists got. This mysterious blob is located deep beneath parts of Virginia, West Virginia, and Maryland. This discovery is like finding a hidden chapter in Earth's autobiography. The story we thought we knew about the Appalachians was that they were formed hundreds of millions of years ago, when ancient continents like Africa and North America smashed into each other. It was a slow-motion collision that pushed up the land into a massive mountain range, even taller than the Himalayas are today. Then for millions and millions of years, wind and rain have been wearing them down into the beautiful rolling mountains we see now. According to that story, everything underneath should be old and settled. But this new discovery throws a wrench in the works. This hot blob of rock seems to have dripped upwards from the mantle. That is, the gooey layer beneath the earth is crust. Think of it like a lava lamp. A blob of warm wax slowly rises up, and that's similar to what might be happening here, but on a gigantic scale and over millions of years. So, why is this happening? That's the million-dollar question. Scientists have a few cool ideas. One theory is that a piece of the dense, heavy bottom layer of the North American tectonic plate broke off and sank into the mantle. When that heavy piece fell away, it was like taking a weight off a spring. The hotter, lighter mantle material from below bounced up to fill the empty space. This process is called delamination. It's like the crust is peeling itself from the bottom up. Another idea is that there's a mantle plume under there. A mantle plume is like a giant super-hot jet of rock rising up from deep within the earth. Think of Hawaii. Those islands were formed by a mantle plume. But finding one under the east coast of the United States? That would be totally new and would rewrite a lot of geology textbooks. The east coast is supposed to be quiet and stable, not a place with this kind of hidden, fiery activity. You might be wondering, does this mean a volcano is going to erupt in Virginia? The short answer is, don't worry. The process we're talking about is happening incredibly slowly, over millions of years. This isn't a sign of an impending eruption. In fact, this strange structure might explain some other weird things about the area, like why there are occasional small earthquakes in a region that's supposed to be geologically quiet. It could be the ground slowly adjusting to these changes happening deep, deep below. What makes this so stunning for scientists is that it challenges our whole understanding of how mountains age. We used to think that once mountains are formed, they just slowly erode away and that's it. But this discovery suggests that there can be new, active processes happening underneath them long after they've settled down. It's like finding out your quiet old grandpa is secretly a world-class gymnast. It's just not what you expected. To figure this out, scientists are going to need more data. They'll use even more sensitive equipment to get a clearer picture of this underground blob. They'll analyze the chemistry of rocks and even hot springs in the area to look for clues that might have come from the deep mantle. It's like a giant detective story, and the clues are buried miles beneath our feet. This is what makes science so exciting. Just when we think we have it all figured out, the Earth shows us something new that makes us rethink everything. It reminds us that our planet is a living, breathing, dynamic world, with mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. Who knows what other secrets are hidden beneath the ancient mountains, deserts, and oceans of our world? So the next time you see the beautiful rolling Appalachian Mountains, remember that there's a mind-boggling geological mystery unfolding right under them. A story of ancient collisions, peeling plates, and hot rock rising from the depths. It's a powerful reminder that there is always more to learn and explore. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive into the Earth's secrets. What do you think is causing this strange structure? Let me know your theories in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to explore more amazing mysteries of our universe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next adventure.